tiny.
So, Tylee, tell me. Tell me about how you think we should fix the world's problems. How could the world fix their problems? Hmm?
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers? That's how we can fix the problem? Really? What are we going to do with screwdrivers? How is that going to fix
We're
them?
gonna poke it through the sky.
Really? And that's going to fix it?
You put some tape around it, and it's in.
And that's going to fix everything?
Yeah.
Hmm.
You just screw one more in, and then there's two, and you can't get out them because one is the screwdriver has to go on the other side because the upper side is not that good.
Gotcha.
And the downside's not good. The upper side is not good. Then the last side is good.
Oh, awesome. So the answer is screwdrivers.
And when you tell some more stuff to me.
Okay, we'll say thank you and have a happy Monday, and we'll get you on the next show.
Thanks. Happy Monday.
Say we'll see you on the next show.
Or see you in the next show.